Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And last week we had a Patch Tuesday update for Windows 10 and Windows 11. And it actually came in twice for many. It started rolling out as a Windows update KB4, the first that actually saw it coming in. The KB5063060 is there. And what happened is that this cumulative update was quickly removed for a lot of machines and replaced by KB5063060. So some of us have both, some have only 5063060. So this depends on when you checked for Windows updates. Now, it's getting clearer that there are some issues with this update on the install. I will say one thing about the install experience I had. 5063060 was very bizarre. It actually started with it doesn't download, then it downloaded, then it was stuck at 0% install for a while, and then at 73% for a very, very long time. I'd say that it's stuck at 73% at least 20 minutes. Suddenly moving to 100%, which also got stuck. A restart. At the restart, it said 0% installed on the black screen. That was super long. And then it just jumped to 100%. So it was a very weird install. I wonder if there isn't things that it had to undo on 5060842 to actually complete the 5063060. But whatever happens, there's a rising number of people that say that it doesn't want to install with different error messages in a Windows update. So if that's the case, most of what I've seen is that installing it manually actually works, even if it failed in the Windows update. So I will share the link to the Microsoft Update Catalog, where you can go and get the x64-based version of the update here and download it. It is a big file because it contains a lot of previous updates in it, but unfortunately that's the way it is when you use the update catalog. So for a lot of people, this actually worked if the Windows update didn't work. So the link to the Windows Update Catalog page is in the description below. You just download this, click on the file, and install it on your Windows 11 PC. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.